Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be cooking zucchini bread. Zucchini is rich in many nutrients. Before we start, we have the ingredients for zucchini bread. We have the raisins, the egg, pecan, allspice, nutmeg, sugar, margarine, vanilla, we have the butter, we have the zucchini, baking soda, we have the pineapple, and we have the flour. It's like 2 cups with salt. We'll mix the nutmeg, allspice, and salt to the flour. First, we have to make a mixture of margarine and vegetable oil mixed together, 1/2 cup each. And we have the beaten egg, slightly beaten, 3 eggs. And we have to add the sugar, 2 cups of sugar to the mixture. Then we have to make sure it's going to be mixed well. While waiting for the mixture, don't you know that the zucchini is a summer squash, which is rich in many nutrients like B vitamins, vitamin C, and potassium, and it supports our immune system and vision. Then we will add the beaten eggs. Then we'll have to make sure that we'll mix it well, slightly foamed. And so in a few seconds we'll be going to the next process, which is the flour. We'll have to make sure that it was sifted first. And we're gonna add all the dry ingredients, which is the nutmeg, the how do you call this, allspice, and the salt on it. Then that's when we have to add it to the mix slowly but surely, of course. Then obviously we have to mix it well. Make sure that everything, all the flour is dissolved to the mixture. By the way, don't forget to like and comment down below if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel. And there you go. And also I'd like to thank my mom, because she's the one who cooked this zucchini bread. It is actually one of the recipes that she loved to cook whenever there's a party or event in our community. Now it's time for zucchini. We have 2 cups of grated zucchini squash. We're ready to mix it to the mixture. So we'll have to make sure that it's properly distributed. And we also have the pineapple. We have the pecan. And we have the raisins. You can actually see the list of ingredients on the description down below of my video. And we have the vanilla. Make sure it is mixed well. And after that, it's time for us, to put it in a pan, in a baking pan. So first we have to put some cooking spray a little bit and dust a little of all-purpose flour. And then that is when the time, this mixture is good for 2 pans actually. I don't know exactly what size of the pan, but I'll show it on the description down below. There you go, and it's ready for baking. So we'll have to put it inside the oven with at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're gonna cook it for 45 minutes. To see that during the process, that's how it looked like inside the oven. After 45 minutes, there you go, it's ready. But you have to check it first using the stick. You have to check the inner part of the bread if it's fully cooked, because you have to check the consistency of the color and everything. There you go. It looks yummy and very nutritious. What we're gonna do is we have to flip this to the tray, let it cool for like 5 minutes. And that's how it looks like at the bottom of the bread. And then after that, once it's cooled down, then we have to flip it back, and it's time to slice it. Looks so yummy and moist. There you go. Are you craving for this right now? Let me know. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for future or upcoming videos that I'm gonna upload. Here is my final product, the zucchini bread. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.